Hello, Erin. I thought it would just be easier to shoot this video for you instead of trying to explain this in an email. So from scheduling, you want to go down here to inspect. When you're in inspect, you want to go to reports. I have to type in your store. Then you want to come down here to custom reports and select your time range. I'll just do previous month. And then you want to drop down here and pick your format. My suggestion would be Excel so you can sort it. And then you want to come down here to repair order line action, where you can do all ASRs, you can do all sold. That's your second question. So if you wanted to see what who was buying, you click all sold. If you want to do your declined, you pick all declined. So I'm going to choose all declined from last month. Here you can dive in even deeper with RO number, customer name, BIN. You can even select by advisors or technicians, or if you wanted to dive into services that were declined or being purchased, you could do that here. Then you just scroll down to the bottom and hit run. And then up here is your Excel spreadsheet that you can open up. And enable and save it or print it if you want. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 312-317-8519, 312-317-8519. Thanks.